Students, question 3 is what different types of clothes do we wear depending on the season? Yani depending on the season, what different type of clothes do we use to wear? So we have discussed in our chapter also that during the summer season we used to wear the cotton clothes, light colored cotton clothes, because they keep our body cool. They absorb our sweat and help us to keep cool. Whereas the second is the winter season. During winter season we used to wear the dark colored woolen clothes because they do not allow our body heat to escape and keep our body warm. Next, the monsoon season. During the monsoon season or during the rainy season, we used to wear gumboots, raincoats and carry umbrellas with us because they are made up of waterproof material. They do not wet up easily and they also dry up very quickly. So answer of this question is the different types of clothes that we wear depending upon the seasons are, the first column we have written the types of clothes and in the second column we have written the different seasons. So cotton clothes, and cotton clothes we used to wear the summer season. The second one is the woolen clothes, and during the winter season we used to wear the woolen clothes. The third one is the raincoats and umbrellas, and they are made up of waterproof material. So we used to wear these clothes during rainy season or during the monsoon season. The next one is the question 4. What are the characteristics of synthetic fibers? So students, first of all we have discussed that what are synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are the fibers that are made by man in factories and by using the chemicals. So if they are made by the man in factories and by using the chemical, so it depends upon the human being. So what type of desirable characteristics they want in that synthetic fibers. So first of all, if you see in the nylon fiber, they are shiny, the colors do not fade, they are wrinkle free. Have you ever ironed your socks? No, because they are made up of nylon. They are wrinkle free. The dupattas also we never used to, if they are made up of cotton, then only we are ironing it. Otherwise there is no need to iron the clothes which are synthetic, made up of synthetic fibers. So let's see the answer of this question is, the characteristics of synthetic fibers are strong, they are last long, means they can their time is very long, they can be used for long time, they are wrinkle free, there is no need to iron these clothes, stretched easily, they can be stretched easily, then they are waterproof. Waterproof means they do not wet up easily and their colors do not fade, and their color will also remain for long time, they do not fade easily. So these are the characteristics of synthetic fibers, and these are our long question answers. Now what you have to do, you have to read these questions or answers again and then note down these answers in your copy in very good handwriting. Thank you.